Defender. I know it's our Defender page, but I thought, as I couldn't find any people fitting a splitter to this particular model, I thought I'll show you guys as well. So I have a 2020 Seat Leon Cupra 290 Lux, and I got a Maxton Design splitter and diffuser for it, so today I'm going to fit it. Could only find an Audi that is actually showing you how to fit the splitter, and the diffuser looks pretty simple, so I'm going to show you how to do it the proper way without just shoving some self-tappers through the bumpers, which I know a lot of people do, but let's try and do it the proper way. So got to start by taking the front bumper off, so let's get to it. So the bumper's off, normal procedure. Apart from this model, there are two Torx screws in the grille. So I was trying to take it off and it wasn't happening, and I found two grille bolts. So take them out and it should come out, and then obviously all your gubbins on the inside, so your parking sensors, washer, pipe, all that sort of stuff. When you take the washer pipe off, it will leak fluid if you have any in there, so make sure you have a bottle there to put the fluid in, then you can reuse it, and then with the clip, just take that off and make sure you know where it is to plug it back in afterwards. So guys, to start off, before, as recommended by Maxton Design, is to make sure that the splitter is the correct one for you. So get a lending hand from one of your friends, your mum, your dad, whoever is helping you. So I've lined up with a friend the splitter. Splitter goes from each side, and the logo is directly in the middle of the grille. I have put in 3, so one at each side and one bolt in the middle, supplied by Maxton, but I got these parts from Progressive Parts. So it's suggested on the instructions that I have 14 bolts to do, and you want to do them not on the edge of the front of the bumper, but a little bit back, not too far back, because it will create an opening, and you don't want that. So I'm going to carry on drilling all the way through 14 of them, making sure that they're all secure. Then I'm going to take the splitter back off and do the film, the protective film, and then put it all back on and then refit the bumper. Let's go. For anybody that hasn't done a splitter before, and you're doing it this way, it says to use 14 screw nuts, bolts, washers. So where I've put them, one in the middle and one at each end, the requirement for the amount of bolts is 15 to 20 centimeters in between each fixing. So what I've done is I've gone 15 centimeters in between each fixing, but that's only 13 screws. But I'm happy with that. I've got a good amount and it's equal on each side and the front, so we're going to go ahead and drill the holes for the 13 screws. Okay, so I've drilled all my holes. I'm just going to take the splitter off the bumper again, remove the film, put it all back together, and then hopefully we can get it on the car. It's going to look good. The bumper is ready to go on, the splitter is in place and all screwed up and it's all nice and secure. Everything is ready here, so when we put the bumper up to the car, we've got to make sure we put in all the parking sensors and everything else that you've got going on. Just parking sensors on this for me. So let's hope it goes smooth. There you have it, the Maxton Design front splitter for a Seat Cupra. I'll put the link below. Trendy, looks very nice. So it's using all the bolts and the fixings. I have loads of plastic in my hair. So yeah, really nice, really simple to put on. Obviously front bumper removal is probably the biggest part of it, but actually fitting the splitter to the bumper is pretty straightforward. As I said, I'll link that below, and let me know how you get on with yours. We'll do the diffuser now. Okay, so now that we have the front splitter fitted, I also have a diffuser, so I'm just going to go and get started with taking the old diffuser off. Okay, so I finally got the rear diffuser off. Only took me about 5-10 minutes. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, 3 along the bottom, 2 on the sides, and like a little replaceable plastic clip, which I will show you. So it's one of these. So it has a little pin and a plastic little top hat there. So you pull the pin out of the top hat and the top hat will fall out. And then there's clips all the way along. So I would suggest, if yours is tight like mine was, there's like on the edges there's like a little clip. So you pull that out first, and then maybe use something like this just to push in all the way along to help ease the clips out. and then once you've got the whole thing coming, it should all come out, and then obviously get a bit of a stiff bit and it's not coming, just shove that back in and it should all pull out. So let's fit the new one. Hi everyone, so it's quite a few days later. There was a bit of a sticky situation with the rear diffuser. Turns out I managed to get the estate one instead, which was, you know, never mind, my fault. So managed to get the diffuser back on, and it was really simple switch over. So as I showed you how to take the old diffuser off, I just gave that area quick wipe around from all the dirt that you can normally get, and then just slotted the new one on with the tabs that it comes with. There's no additional fittings that you put in there, and then 2 screws at the bottom, and then you get some screws which fit underneath, which are 2 bolts which go into the bodywork like normal, but come with some spacers, about 50mm I'd say, something like that from what I can remember. So that's a really easy fit, anybody can do it. Just obviously make sure that when you do put the diffuser on, when you're securing all the screws and bolts on, just peel that little bit of protective sealer away from the screws, so that when you're ready and finished, so that you don't get all of it fitting around the screws, and it's quite a bit of a pain to peel off afterwards, so make sure you do that. But yeah, really happy with what it's looked like now. Got the Maxton Design front splitter on now, which you've seen me put on. Fairly straightforward, even with the bumper removal, quite easy. And the rear diffuser, even better. Took me about 5 minutes to put it on whilst the new one came. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Check out our channel. I know this is a little bit different, but hopefully you'll see more cars in the process with other things that Tristan and I have going on with all of our other projects. So yeah, keep up to date.